Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? Today, we're gonna have grammar lesson 20. Do you remember what did we have on lesson 19 for the grammar? Super, we had commas. But do you remember where can we put the comma? Yes, between the name of the town and the state, super, and after the day and the date, super. So, last lesson we had comma in the date and comma in the state and the town or the city. Today we have commas in a series. What's the series? I have two kind of series. I have serious noun and a serious verb. Serious means that we have three or more nouns that appears together in a sentence. So serious means more than three nouns or maybe three in the same sentence. If I find three or more nouns in the same sentence, so I should put comma after each noun, except for the last noun. For example, Sparky, it's a noun, so I should put comma after it. Why should I put comma? Because I have here four nouns. Let's see together. Sparky, comma, Spike, comma, Rover, comma, and Leo. Leo is the last noun, so I will not put comma after the last noun. Are dogs. So today we're gonna study where should I put the comma in a serious noun. I should put it after each noun in the series except for the last noun. Again, Sparky, comma, Spike, comma, Rover, comma, and Leo are dogs. I put the comma after each noun only. After the last noun, I will not put the comma. What about if I have serious verb? What is the serious verb? Also, it's three or more verbs that appear together in a sentence. Where should I put the comma? Yes, the same. I should put the comma after each verb in a series except the last verb. Example, hamsters. Hamster here it's a noun and it's only one noun. Hamsters. Run. Run here it's a verb. Where should we put comma after the verb if we have more than three or more? Run, comma, lips, comma, and waves. Can we put comma after waves? No, because this is the last verb. So again, one more time, I should put the comma after series of verbs or series of noun. So after the verbs, after each verb I should put the comma, and after each noun I should put comma. But after the last noun or last verb I will not put comma. Let's practice. Open page 62 please, and you will find three sentences. Find the correct one and circle the commas in each correct sentence. Let's remember one more time. The comma should be after the noun or after the verb, but not after the last noun or the last verb in the sentence. So here, the first sentence, Mom, Dad, without comma in the middle. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. The second sentence, Mom, comma, Dad, comma, and Kim care for the dogs. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. We will circle the comma after Mom and we will circle the comma after Dad. That's it. The third sentence, Mom, comma, Dad, comma, and comma, Kim, comma. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. Why it's not correct? Because there is a comma after and there is a comma after the last noun, and we said that we don't put commas after the last verb or after the last noun. Let's move to the second sentence. We have three sentences in the second group. dogs, comma, cats, comma, and birds are great pets. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. Why? Because I have here comma after the first noun and the second noun. So it's correct. The second sentence, dogs, cats without comma. Is it correct? No, it's not correct because I have more than one noun. It's 3 nouns here in this sentence, so I should put comma between the nouns after each noun. The third one, dogs, comma, yes, cats, comma, and comma. It's not correct because I shouldn't put comma after and. The third group, Max, comma, Harry, comma, and comma. It's not correct because I shouldn't put comma after and. The second one, Max, comma, Harry, comma, and Grace are puppies. Yes, it's correct because we put comma after the first and second noun. The third one, Max, comma, Harry, comma, and Grace, comma. Here in the third one, he put comma after the last noun, and it's not correct. I shouldn't put comma after the last noun or the last verb. The fourth group, puppies need food, comma, water, comma, and comma, love. It's not correct because I shouldn't put comma after and. The second one, puppies need food, water, and comma, love. It's not correct because there is no comma after the first and second noun. The third one, puppies need food, comma, water, comma, and love. This is the correct one. Please open page 65. Here, look at the underlined verbs in each sentence and write each sentence correctly. Put commas in the correct place. Do you remember where should we put the comma? When we have series of verbs? Where? Super, after. Each verb in a series, except the last verb. So, after each verb we will put the comma, but after the last verb we will not put comma. Chipmunk sleeps, falls, and cries. So, where are the verbs here? Sleeps, falls, and cries. Super. Where should we put the comma? We should put comma after sleeps and after falls. Super. Hamster dashes, jumps, and helps. Where are the verbs here? Dashes, jumps, and helps. Super. Where should we put the comma? After the first verb, dashes, and after the second verb, jumps. But I shouldn't put it by the end. It's not correct. Chipmunk smiles, skips, and dances. Where are the verbs? Smiles, skips, and dances. Super. Where should we put the comma? After smiles and after skips. The animals wave, cheer, and shout. Where are the 3 verbs here? Wave, cheer, and shout. Where should we put the comma? After wave and after cheer. Super. Hamster loves, bows, and leaves. Where are the 3 verbs? Yes, loves, bows, and leaves. Where should we put the comma? After love and after bows. Super. Go to page 71, please. Again, draw a line under each correct sentence. We have 3 sentences, and I want you draw a line after the correct one. Super Cat visits the park, school, and playground. Here I have 3 nouns. What are the 3 nouns by the end of the sentence? Park, school, and playground. Where should we put the comma? We should put it after park and after school. So which one is the correct one? Super, the second one. Super Cat visits the park, comma, school, comma, and playground. Number 2. Which one is correct in number 2? The first or second or third? She saves. I have here 3 nouns also. butterfly, worm, and ladybug. Where should we put the comma? After a butterfly and after worm? Yes, that's it. Which one here it's written correct? The first or second or third? Yes, super, the first one, because the second one he's putting comma after a and it's not correct, and the third one is putting comma after the first noun only and he's not putting comma after the second one. So the first one is correct. She saves a butterfly, comma, worm, comma, and ladybug. The third group, we have three nouns here: mama, baba, and baby. So baby cat. Where should we put the comma? After the first noun, which is mama, and after the second noun, which is papa, and that's it. So which one is correct? Super, the third one, the last one: mama, comma, papa, comma, and baby cat are happy. Number 4, I want you to write each sentence and use commas correctly. The penguins waddle, jump, and slide. We have 3 verbs here, which are waddle, jump, and slide. We should put the comma after each verb, but we shouldn't put it after the last one. So the penguins waddle, comma, jump, comma, and slide. And we put period by the end of the sentence. They dive, splash, and swim. So we should put comma after dive and splash. People watch, point, and smile. We should put comma after watch and point. Our homework will be beige 74. Thank you, grade 2. See you next video. And goodbye.